Hey, let me show you how you can quickly connect CMF Buds Pro 2 with any iPhone or iPad. So first of all, you will have to input both earbuds inside this case. You will have to open it and you will have to click and hold this button to enter for the pairing mode. So this indicator starts blinking white. Now you can release and you will have to go into the settings, open Bluetooth settings, and now tap on this switcher to turn it on. From other devices list, select CMF Buds Pro 2. Wait for the connection, accept this pairing. And now, when you go into the App Store, you can download the Nothing X application, so it will allow you to use more features of these earbuds. So you'll have to click Start and accept everything that is popping on your screen. And then select Buds Pro 2 from available devices list and select Set up this device. Now just wait for this setup process. It will actually take around a few moments. And after this, you will be successfully connected and you will be able to use your earbuds with some other features. Accept this pairing request. Click skip, and there we are. That's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe.